Something great about the session was it was very pictorial. Something really resonates. And I think a lot of things which we discussed today needs to be reinforced.
Absolutely.
So like what Mr. Dominic was telling, we were 57 and 57 people had 30 thought process about the objectives. So now we have confined it to five. So this 5 objectives need to be reinforced again.
Yes.
And thinking about the picture which was shown in the beginning, the boat which is rowing. So I think with this 5 objectives clear, we all as business partners, high performance business partners, let's all start to row the boat in the same
direction. Wonderful.
So that a better cohesion and a better OKR is delivered.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for a very good session. What I took from this session is the business partnering with, and especially with the team, how to go about the process.
Wonderful.
That was something what I came from this session. Thank you.
So that was a very good experience. One of the main takeaways what I had is I had a great feeling to create a team to work towards a customer-centric organization.
Harnessing the power of teamwork and putting everything together to synergize and work towards organizational goal is important. So we all have to come out of our silos, work together as a team, and we should have a common goal in mind.
Thank you for your thought-provoking session.
In this workshop, we heard about high performance and business work as a team, don't as silos, and many tools we have tried here, and we have workshops and activities are there. Implement that in your own departments and for the benefit of the organization.
I think what I kind of found as the greatest value is when they come together and discuss topics like this, there's an alignment of mind that happens and we get to know each other and start working together as a team. That's the biggest value I see in this kind of cross-functional workshops.
It was overall experience. It was very nice. The timely manner. We are given most important to this goal setting first, 5 goals, and you have put 2 sub goals also. And the activities, those 4 activities are really, it's like a learning experience.
Thank you.
And it is also a very much updated presentation. New things are very much included from your side.
The most interesting thing what I felt was you have enabled all of us to take this out. It was not that you came with a lot of jargons or we school fund us, but your entire exercise was that we were involved, all were involved, and you have taken from us itself, like extraction. That is what we also do. So really appreciate this session. And I'm sure that agreeing to 5 common goals and that its alignment, it was wonderful, and it's really an enabler because you enabled us to do this, and that was the key point which we all discussed: enabling and aligning to a common vision. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was really a good session. For me, the key takeaways were the OKR. It's something that was there in my mind for a very long time. And there is some inhibition inside me to implement it. But as you spoke, metrics that I could think of as I move out of this.
Awesome. Thank you.
Basically creating a safe space for people to say what they want to say, provided it's said in the right spirit for the benefit of the organization.
It was a very good session. Good thing what takeaway is that feedback and feed forward. That is something very new for me actually. So it has some relation with psychological safety also. But anyway, I wish each one and I thank you.
Thanks for the session. I can take this as a train the trainer session. Why? Because I want to cascade this complete information to my next layer, next to next layer.
Wonderful.
Become a more high performing team. Thank you, ma'am, for taking us through, making us think. So it's an ongoing process.
Thank you.
And it was very refreshing, and thank you, Sangeeta, for being so thought-provoking and also customizing and catering to what the briefs were. So much appreciated. The one takeaway which I would like for myself, and also I request all of you to reflect on this, is the next time you have a critical juncture where you want now something done desperately, and somebody is giving you a blocker or somebody is giving you an answer which you are not looking for, whoever it may be, I would like and encourage you to think from others' perspective.